Keto diet is not very easy, especially for those who are really new to this method. For beginners, they might find it hard to begin if they are used to a different kind of diet. They have to learn to eat the foods they love in a different way. In our last video, we've shown you the list of the foods that you should include to your keto foods list that is best for your keto diet. If you haven't watched the video yet, you can watch it in the description link below for you to know the best keto foods for your keto diet. Now, in this video, we will show you the list of the foods that you should exclude or avoid in your keto foods list. We have gathered all the information of the foods that you should be avoiding and why you should avoid them while doing keto diet. Watch the whole video till the end and don't skip it because we will tell them to you one by one, and we will also tell you a way on how you can create or customize your keto diet plan easily with the keto-friendly foods that we've shown you on the last video. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of our new videos. To begin, the first on the list. If you're going to get into ketosis quickly, you need to limit your carb intake, and grains are filled with carbohydrates which can hurt your keto progress. Grains like rice, corn, barley, quinoa contains enough carbs in one serving to hit your entire day's carb limit. Fruits are definitely healthy, but if you are on a keto diet, most of the fruits that you know are also one of the foods to avoid on keto diet. Most fruits are high in sugar and carbs, which makes them out for your keto foods list. However, if you really love fruits, there are still fruits that are good for your keto diet, like berries, avocados, tomatoes, and olives. Vegetables are also healthy, like fruits, but when it comes with vegetables, the keto rule of thumb is to avoid veggies that grow beneath the ground, like potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and yucca, as they contain high starch. High starch means high carbs. Legumes such as black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, lentils, and peas provide some fibers and other nutrients and high in protein. However, legumes contain high starch content or high in carbs, which make them out for your keto diet. There are hidden sugars everywhere. If you are on a keto diet, sugars have negative impacts on your weight gain, blood glucose, and insulin response. Though there might be better option for overall health, but sugar is still sugar, and it is 100% carb. Sugar in all its forms like honey, maple syrup, and cane sugar should be avoided because it will kick you out of ketosis. Keto diet is about low carb and high fat intakes. So you should avoid low and reduced fat dairy products that contains more carb and sugar. Low fat dairies like shredded cheese, low fat or fat-free yogurt, evaporated skim milk, and milk should be avoided. But small amount of raw milk is okay, just be aware of your carb intakes. Chips, crackers, cookies, candies, and fast foods like fries, burgers, margarines, and ice creams are all off limit on the keto diet. Low in fiber and high in carbs, these foods do not support the goal of keto eating, as well as processed meats like hot dogs and packaged sausages. Since they usually contain additives, you don't need any hidden carbs. Alcohols such as beers, wines, and cocktails can easily slow down fat loss and ketosis. Plus, many alcoholic drinks are carb heavy. Alcohol is ethanol, which your body will prioritize into breaking down and detoxing. That means, if you're trying to lose weight, your body takes a break in fat burning to take care of those tequila shots first, and that slows down fat loss. Pay close attention to what you drink, as drinks are often a significant source of hidden sugars and carbs. Beverages like sodas, iced teas, coffee, hot chocolates, even fruit juices should be avoided in a keto diet as they are often full of carbs. And lastly, even in condiments, there are also some of them that you should avoid in keto diet, like tomato sauce, hot sauce, some salad dressings, and ketchup, because they all contain added sugars, so definitely avoid it or try to use natural sugar alternatives and some avocado-based mayo. Now that you are aware of the top 10 foods that a lot of people on keto diet are avoiding, you can make the correct adjustments to continue your keto lifestyle. Whether your goal in doing keto diet is to lose weight or prevent a disease, the more stricter you are in avoiding these foods, the better chances of seeing results faster. And now, as we have mentioned in the beginning of our video, we will show you a way on how you will be able to create your own keto diet plan easily. Custom Keto Diet helps you create your own keto diet plan easily by just asking you simple questions like your daily activities or the keto-friendly foods that you want to eat. We will show you how easy this works. As you can see on their website, there will be a video that will tell how they work. You can watch the video as well if you want to know more about them. At the bottom, you just need to click the Get Your Custom Keto Diet. And you will be routed here. You just need to choose your gender. For example, we will select female. Once selected, it will ask about your daily activity level, if you're active in your daily lifestyle or doing nothing at all. For our example, we will pretend that we are doing nothing every day. We will choose couch potato. And then it will give us list of meats that you want to add in your plan. For our example, we will choose all. We want them all. Then, it will give us a list of keto-friendly vegetables we want. We will again choose all. Next, other keto-friendly foods you may want to include. Here, we will choose all again for example. Now, it will ask you about your current measurement and your desired or target weight. Lastly, it will now show you the message that your 60 days personal keto diet is ready, and it will also show you the recommended daily calories, fat, protein, carbs, and even your achievable weight in 30 days if you follow their plan. You can also see some success stories, and if you're ready to get your personal keto diet for just an affordable one-time payment only, and have a lifetime access to your meal plan, you can click Get It Now. And now, it will ask you to fill out your name and your email address where they will be sending your keto diet plan. That's how easy and fast it is to use, create, and start your keto diet by using Custom Keto Diet. I added a link on the description below so you can easily check it out. So that's it for this video. Hope this video helped you on keto diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. And hit the notification bell as well to be updated of our new videos. Thanks for watching.